Hey guys, so I have some exciting news to share with you and I cannot wait to tell it to you. So this is a plan that's been processed and been in the making for a while now, and I've been thinking and planning and wanting to do this, and finally I cannot believe this is happening. So the big news is that there is gonna be a vocal workshop. Yes, finally, a lot of people have been asking for vocal techniques and vocal classes. So my friends, this is for you. If you are a singer and if you are a vocalist, this is not only for professional singers, this is for anybody who loves to sing and wants to know more about singing and wants to learn more about singing. This is for you. So this is not only just about vocals and just about singing. I am going to be teaching you some vocal techniques that's going to be helping you while you're leading worship. So we're going to be learning about worship leading, vocal techniques, and so much more is planned for you. So don't miss this. This is going to be happening from May 13th till May 22nd. So this is a 10-day crash course. So we'll be workshopping through many things and every day is going to be exciting. This is not only for people in India and in Chennai, this is for people from around the world. So many people are going to be gathering and they're going to be joining in. So don't miss this. This is an opportunity for you to use your time, especially during this quarantine and during this lockdown. So make use of your time and join with me. Let's all learn together. So May 13th till May 22nd. The contact details are going to be mentioned below. So make sure you look at it to know more and to learn more about how you can register and how you can join in. So I am so excited to be teaching with you and let's learn together. I can't wait. So see you soon. Bye.